Destiny Discover has a great search feature. In the upper right hand corner, you want to click on the search icon. Here you can search by title, author, topics. So let's go over here to the left hand side and click on the little drop down caret. Here is where this first area you will be able to choose. Is it a keyword, title, author, subject, series? How do you want to search? So let's just stay with the default of a keyword and see what happens. So we type in Twilight, hit enter, and it brings up for us 7 books in our library that have something to do with Twilight. Maybe it's that Twilight is in the title. So let's go up and do another search. Now we can come back here and let's choose this time author. Notice we can choose what type of format. Maybe we only want to see ebooks by a specific author, but let's go ahead and stick with books this time. Then we can come down, we can even choose a reading level. So let's say that we want to read between 3rd grade and 6th grade. Now we need to make sure we click this set options, and then let's type in Aaron Hunter as our author. And let's see what books in our library are by Aaron Hunter between the grade levels of 3rd and 6th grade. And this brings us up 40 different options. So we have a lot of books by him in our library. You can then even search further by coming over here to the right hand side, and you'll see the little drop down arrow again. And now I can come in and I can say, you know what, I only want to search for books that are in the library. You'll notice that brought it down to 37. Maybe I want to come here to genre, and I can click on all so I can see all genres. And then I can come down and I can see, ooh, adventure fiction, he has 6 books. Comic book strips, he has 7. So I'm just going to choose adventure fiction and then click view the 6 results. Now this has narrowed it down to the 6 books in our library that are between 3rd and 6th grade reading level that are by Aaron Hunter. When you want to do a new search again, come up to the search icon in the upper right hand corner. Make sure you come in here, clear all the fields, and do your individual search to find the perfect book for you.